Okay, I'm back with the next step on King Theoden's armour, and I'm setting up a plate here, this kind of protective armour. It's called a fold, I believe, which hangs against his hips. So I'm just setting up the masking of this leather twisted edging again. And then the next step is, well, I must create, it was during this piece of work that I realized there was a kind of lip to the metal around the edge, and then there's these extruded kind of, it looks like very fine metal work beaten into shape. And then they've got these beautiful leather horses laid on top. So what I've done is cut out the exact form with a boolean, and then I'm going in here masking areas and then sculpting, carving back this cut leather effect. So there's a lot of sculpting back there, these different areas, the suggestion of overlapping, this kind of Celtic look, more masking. It's a lot of detail, a lot of individual sculpted areas. Some of the edges have to stay a bit sharper, and some of them have to get cut back quite far. It's quite strange. So yeah, we've got two of those, and then I'm using Matchmaker to get the curved surface. That was the first one going on there. Oh yeah, then I realized there was another indentation, a kind of lip to this metalwork. And then I'm creating the final piece of leather here, a little dart shape that goes top and bottom. Of course they're slightly different. And then there's a cut line into that leather. And that's it. Pretty much done. Onwards and upwards.